Rashmi Metaliks Limited, every ductile iron pipe receives a precisely controlled external zinc coating for long-lasting protection against soil-induced corrosion. We use 99.99% pure metallic zinc, uniformly sprayed over the pipe surface. The coating mass is maintained according to applicable standards, minimum 130 grams per square meter under IS 8329, and 200 grams per square meter under EN 545 and ISO 8179-1. Zinc acts as a sacrificial protective layer, safeguarding the iron even where minor surface damage occurs. Following zinc application, the pipes receive a finishing layer of bituminous paint, creating a durable dual barrier system for dependable, long-term underground performance.